Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. If you guys haven't already, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Guys, want to leave a comment, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Good or bad, it really doesn't matter. All right, so let's talk about this code P0030. We're going to try to break down the code for you. We're going to try to help you fix your problem. If you guys have this code, it pretty much indicates a problem with the oxygen sensor, and this is for bank 1 sensor 1. It essentially means that the car's computer has detected an issue with the O2 sensor located before the catalytic converter on the bank of cylinders that contain cylinder 1. So let's talk about what this means. The O2 sensor, it essentially monitors the oxygen content and exhaust and helps the engine management system, the ECM, the PCM, your car's computer, adjust the air fuel mixture for the best possible combustion and emissions for your car. Bank 1 sensor 1. Bank 1 normally is the side of the engine that contains cylinder 1. Sensor 1 is the oxygen sensor located before the catalytic converter, which is pretty much the upstream sensor. The heater control circuit, the O2 sensors need to reach a specific temperature quickly to function properly. The heater circuit provides that initial heat, and we're just going to go down. We just went down essentially broke down essentially what this code means and how it affects your vehicle. The code itself is saying that there is a problem with the heater circuit in the bank 1 sensor 1 sensor, and this could be due to a couple of things. A faulty sensor. O2 sensors are not very difficult to swap out, and you guys get this code just for this sensor. Guys probably just want to look to swap out this code. The sensor will probably cost you less than $100 on most cars. Could be a wiring issue. Now, a lot of times if you have wiring issues, it could be because of rats gnawing on your wires. If you guys have that situation, obviously it's a rare situation, but that has happened. Or if you had your vehicle done recently, or repaired recently, or worked on recently, or looked at recently, they might have disconnected the wiring to the O2 sensor. You might want to make sure that that wiring is seated properly. Could have a blown fuse, which is a rare occasion, and you might have an exhaust leak. If your vehicle is sounding kind of like there's an exhaust leak, a little bit loud with the muffler, that could be the issues. Now, if you guys have this problem, if you guys have this code, let's just talk about what the symptoms are. All right, there's a good chance that you will have a check engine light. It's possible that you could have a rough idle or poor acceleration. In some cases, your vehicle might go into limp mode with reduced fuel mixture, particularly if you guys have like BMWs or Mercedes or any one of these vehicles, the newer vehicles, or any one of these vehicles. But you could have this situation most of the time with newer vehicles with it going to limp mode. Potentially increased fuel consumption and decreased engine performance. Okay, so basically what you guys want to look for in this situation essentially is what I stated. Probably should just change out your O2 sensor to start off with. If that doesn't fix the problem, you might want to look at all the other things that I've mentioned. In any case, hope this has fixed your issue. If you guys have a comment on this, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you guys like this video, this channel, or if you guys fix your problem, definitely drop a comment. Let us know how you guys fix it. It might help somebody else out. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and definitely leave a comment, guys. Take care.